The first step in any sunroom build is pre-construction and demo. Here you can see our builders are setting forms for the foundation. A nice level foundation will ensure a watertight seal to last and prevent against perimeter leaks. In this particular sunroom, the client wanted a higher roof, so we built her what is called a roof saddle. The benefits of a roof saddle include extra height, better drainage, more light with upper glass transoms, and even an option to match your existing roof. We have the safest delivery methods for your materials. They will arrive in customized prepackaging. We carefully unload and stage materials in your backyard. Here, our certified C Thru installers are anchoring perimeter channels that holds the walls in place. These channels are specially designed with an anti-moisture system to prevent perimeter leaks, guaranteeing a moisture-free environment. Our installers are putting up the walls, carefully leveling and plumbing each section to the house. We can achieve a custom fit to any house wall with modifications as needed. Make your sunroom truly your own, with options to personalize every feature to your preference. From heated flooring to cable-ready installation, we can make sure your sunroom is ready for its intended purpose. Although our roof systems are watertight as is, we offer composition roofing to match your existing roof and to add to the overall aesthetics of the structure. When it comes to a customizable sunroom addition, C Thru offers a multitude of options to fit your exact preferences and the specific needs of your home. And thanks to our efficient precision manufacturing technology, a sunroom addition installation with us can be finished in a matter of days, not weeks. When you work with us, you'll have access to a variety of energy-efficient elements to choose from, including roof styles, window styles, interior and exterior styles. While other sunroom additions are only available in stock sizes or rely on panels and miscellaneous parts to be mixed and matched to fit your home as best they can, C Thru sunrooms are individually designed and engineered according to the exact specifications of your home. Each and every piece of our sunrooms is fabricated with total precision in our innovative manufacturing facility using industry-leading computer-aided design technology. This means that every single sunroom we build is engineered with efficiency, perfect sizing, and optimal visual appeal in mind. Thank you for watching. For an estimate, please do not hesitate to contact us. We are happy to help with your patio cover or sunroom project.